there, you know. Look who we have here. Long time you see someone, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
In a real life, we see him on the social media, YouTube, etc. But yeah, man, it's a yard style, that, you know. In there, Kenya, as usual. Yeah, man, don't know. Ever sea bass. Yeah, man, and Jackeye generally, elder. First time I go dive, first time I learn for spearfish, I him go out with it. Buck him up in the morning and he's eating and carry me out, you see it, so. You remember Jackeye? Yeah, I'm shocked came and say, you didn't know, say, first time I dive. I say, first time.
First time, you know. He shocked me.
First time, man, so, yeah, man.
Because I'm not my father that dancing, I got years to run. I'm in a reef, I eat up either.
Yeah, man, live in a reef.
Save a life, my boy.
You save a life? Kenya left him in weights belt, so. Yeah, man.
Improvise, you know?
Yeah, man, that's good, man, that's good. So just wrap him up now. Yeah, people, so we're going to jump in, you know. Water look alright and things still a bit. Kind of like a little bit of wind up on top there. I want to go on, you say jump up this or go on. No. Yeah, man, so we now waste our time still, see what we can find, you know. Do some work on your gun, see if you pay off me showing after we're coming back. So stay tuned, don't move, we're heading right now. Yeah, man. Yard style there, Jackeye in the boat same way. Yeah, man. Kenya just still in the water. Now look at me seeing boy, him not see it yet, but the water when kind of dirty away, the man now come out of the water and nothing go on, so the So I go and wait upon him and you reach him but we touch base. However, it's the catch here. Yeah man, yard style lovely file fish, aka all wife. Yeah man, and 2 nice lobster and lionfish, yeah. Don't know when I met them a fish out that way you see because them a mash up the ecosystem. You see it, so we have to, no matter how small them is, we have to take them out and we see them, yeah. So this is my catch now. Lovely blue, yeah. Rainbow tail same way, not true?
Call them blue pink in a
Blue
countryside.
pink, yeah, blue pink.
Pink parrot, you know, from a pink parrot.
Yeah, it's
blue
blue,
color.
yeah.
Call it blue pink.
Yeah man. So blue pink, yeah, so aka rainbow tail and I look at barjack. Greatest thing still have food, you see. When you come out empty handed, you know. Better days are extreme. The water went very, very bad and didn't record when I catch these fish because my battery for some reason GoPro went down, you know. Battery dead. So I just are going right now. We are cleaning them up now still and I don't say wait on Canada because we not left nowhere now. Wait on him to come in and we touch back base in. Yeah man. Yeah man, nice catch. Nice. Yes, peeps, so the canal and reaching. Yeah man, with this string of lovely grunts. Yeah man, 3 lovely grunts. Yeah. Some of them tell us someone in a come out and tell you can't put dinner on the table, you see? Very determined individuals. So there, I clean up them now and we. Alright, peeps, guess what? They scale everything already. My God. All the better make your process move faster because a long time we there. Yeah man, so them clean already peeps, so you have to watch feed them they are clean again. Yes. So see
the lifestyle.
yeah. So see yard style take your file fish out and skin, you know? Yeah man. See two lobster there. Yeah.
I think I would have barrel.
Yes peeps. Catch and cook our guam. You know me I'm going to do yesterday, but I do something with them, you know? Yeah man, so stay tuned for that. Yeah man, don't move. Catch and cook coming up. Yes peeps, I'm home now and these were the catch from today. All of these 4, these were from yesterday, right? So what I'm gonna do is 3 of us here today, so I'm gonna do 3 of these. I'm gonna pre-brown stew. Yeah, I'm pre-brown stew. So I'm gonna season up everything still, put back these in storage and deal with these 3. So stay tuned for that. Yeah man. Lovely rainbow tail parrot. I think they call them pinky blue. Some friend tell me, but it's a rainbow parrot still and 2 barjack. And over here we have sun diver, aka lizard fish, and a jack and a grunt. So stay tuned for that. Season up, put on fire. Okay peeps, so we have some crushed pimento seed here. Is in, you know, and we have some thyme. I'm gonna fry it down first. So I'm just gonna use it. I have a little bit of some salt. One little bit I'm gonna use. So what I do with them, I cut them up. As I can see, I slice the fish them. So what I do something like this with the thyme. Use my fingers to get the leaf off. Yeah, I'm stuff it inside of the cuts and inside of the belly as well. Yeah, man. As I'm telling you, man, I try to use natural season much as possible. If I have the time and natural, I go, you see? Go up a powder this and Maggi that. You know, I try to avoid that. And when I can do better, I really do it, you see? But yeah, so let's start in more action. I appreciate me look catch now because as much as them small, so sometimes in 50 feet me I'll go for them, so you know, risky. And the thing about it is when I finish with these, me not throw away them. These when me steam them down, cut them down, these are going in the pot as well. So these still have them use. Yeah, man. Alright people, so now look brown into the fish them. Yeah, man. See how they over here, so well hot. The reason being I looking like this when I fried some sliced fish earlier, so time for the browning. My one in going like that. Time for dropping mine, you know. So we just make a turn, make the first turn. Yeah, man, so I give them about a few minutes, then I'm gonna add in the seasoning. Yeah, I'm adding the seasoning, and then after that, add the vegetables. Okay peeps, so come on, let me get them the eat where I want them to get. So I'm gonna add in final piece to the puzzle now. Come on. Yeah, man, so I got simmer down about 10 minutes and then off she goes. This piece, so the pumpkin rice here ready and waiting. And looking lovely, rich with a lot of pumpkin, lovely. Yes peeps, so I finally reached now. Yeah, man, so I'm about to dish it out and show the final result. Yeah, man, looking really good, aroma really kicking, well seasoned up and everything, you know. Time to devour it. Yes peeps, so I ate this now. Yeah, diving at this right now. Yeah, man, so thank you guys again once more from start to finish. Yeah, man, really gonna enjoy this, anticipate this, you know. So remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed as yet. Like, share, help me. Those stuff help me with the algorithm. Yeah, man, keep it positive as usual. I'm out now, so guys, see you guys in a few. Stay safe and do good.